Welcome to the fascinating world of heavy equipment. In this video, we'll be taking you on a jaw-dropping journey to explore the machines that build our world, from colossal port cranes to innovative land reclamation equipment. We'll delve into the engineering marvels behind these giants, their incredible capabilities, and some mind-blowing facts you might not know. So get ready to be amazed by the power and ingenuity of these machines that shape our world. In our exploration of heavy equipment, let's delve into the Manson and 300R. Buckle up, because this isn't your average forklift. The 300R is the world's largest hydraulic crane, designed specifically for port operations. Imagine a giant metal spider with a telescopic arm that can stretch out over 160 feet. That's almost the length of a basketball court. This incredible reach allows the 300R to effortlessly load and unload cargo from even the biggest Panamax-class ships. Here's a cool feature. The 300R can be customized with different undercarriages. Some models have tracks for stability on uneven surfaces, while others have rubber tires for maneuvering around the port. We've seen a lot of amazing machines working on this project, but what if some of them could work more autonomously? That's where the robo-autonomous solution for wheel loaders comes in. Imagine a regular wheel loader, the kind that scoops up and transports materials, but without a driver. This innovative system uses cameras, radar, and LiDAR. That's like laser radar to sense its surroundings. With this digital eye, the robo-equipped loader can navigate job sites, avoid obstacles, and precisely load and unload materials all by itself. An interesting fact? The system can even be programmed for specific tasks. So you can set it to scoop up a pile of dirt, haul it across the site, and dump it in a designated spot all on its own. This not only saves on labor costs, but also improves safety by reducing the risk of operator error. Let's explore the impressive capabilities of the Cabog 735E pick-and-carry timber handler. This machine is like a forklift on steroids, built specifically for handling massive logs. The 735E has a super strong arm that can reach up to 40 feet, allowing it to grab logs from the ground and stack them neatly up to 33 feet high. Its secret weapon? A rear-hinged boom. This design gives the crane exceptional stability, even when lifting heavy logs high up. Here's a neat feature. The 735E can also travel at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. This allows it to quickly move around the yard, saving time and keeping the lumber yard running smoothly. Have you ever seen vast areas of seemingly unusable land? The rock-gone Reinat H4 can change that. This 28-ton machine is a rocky ground terminator, literally. Imagine a giant cheese grater on steroids. The H4 uses a series of hydraulic tines to break up rock as the machine moves forward. A massive, water-filled drum then pulverizes the broken rock into usable soil. This process can turn previously barren land up to depths of 23 feet into fertile ground, perfect for planting crops. The H4 can achieve the same amount of soil creation in minutes that natural processes would take centuries for. Let's dive into the expertise of Cabog as they demonstrate their edge planning capabilities with John Deere equipment. Edge planning is essential for maintaining roads and park areas, ensuring smooth surfaces and safe travel. Using specialized attachments on John Deere machinery, Cabog effectively removes irregularities and overgrown edges from roads and pathways. This process improves visibility, reduces wear and tear on vehicles, and enhances overall safety for pedestrians and motorists. Let's take a closer look at the McLift ML1812R variable reach truck in action, efficiently loading and unloading a container. Imagine a super strong forklift with a telescoping boom that can extend outwards. The ML1812R's secret weapon is its reach. Unlike standard forklifts, it can extend its forks a whopping 18 feet beyond the front of the truck. This allows the McLift to reach deep inside containers, perfectly positioning pallets even in the very back. But that's not all. This machine is a powerhouse, capable of lifting and carrying up to 18 tons. That's like carrying 3 full-grown elephants. Here's a cool fact. The ML1812R is also compact and agile, allowing it to maneuver around tight spaces on ships and in warehouses. Let's delve into the fascinating process of dewatering a tailings pond using the Wetland equipment marsh buggy and a Dondi V ditcher. This powerful combination of machinery is essential for environmental remediation and land reclamation projects. The Wetland equipment marsh buggy, equipped with specialized tracks, is designed to navigate through wetland areas and soft terrain with ease. Its amphibious capabilities allow it to access hard-to-reach locations, making it ideal for dewatering applications. Paired with the Dondi V ditcher, the marsh buggy efficiently excavates ditches and channels to redirect water away from the tailings pond, aiding in the dewatering process. The Dondi V ditcher's unique V-shaped blade cuts through soil and vegetation, creating efficient drainage pathways. Together, these machines work in tandem to remove excess water from the tailings pond, facilitating the drying and consolidation of the sediment. Laying down new tracks for a railway is a big job, but the Technic-Carao track layer makes it a whole lot easier. This machine is a multitasking marvel designed specifically for handling heavy railroad components. Imagine a powerful, tracked vehicle that can lift, transport, and precisely lay down track sections and switches all on its own. The track layer's secret weapon is its versatility. It can be transported to the worksite by rail or truck and then unload itself hydraulically without needing any extra equipment. This saves time and keeps things moving smoothly. Once on site, the track layer can adjust its width, length, and height to perfectly handle various track and turnout segments. Roads don't last forever, and eventually they need some TLC. That's where Quasco and their innovative resonant pavement breakers come in. This isn't your typical jackhammer approach. Imagine a high-tech machine that uses vibrations to break up old concrete. The Quasco breaker uses a vibrating beam that strikes the concrete surface at high frequency, but with low impact. This may sound gentle, but don't be fooled. These rapid strikes effectively fracture the concrete into small, even pieces, all without damaging the underlying base. Here's the beauty of it. This method is a winner all around. It's about 5 times faster than traditional removal methods, which saves time and money. Plus, It creates a strong, fractured base that's perfect for a new layer of asphalt. And because the process is low impact, there's less noise and disruption for people nearby. We've seen some amazing machines tackle tough jobs throughout this video, but what about those giant slabs of concrete that need breaking up? Enter the Antigo Badger Breaker, a real powerhouse when it comes to concrete removal. Imagine a heavy-duty trailer with a massive hammer on its underside. That's the basic idea behind the Badger Breaker. This machine is built for big jobs. It can travel right up to the concrete and then use its hydraulic arm to raise the hammer up to 9 feet in the air. With a powerful drop, the hammer shatters the concrete into manageable chunks. Here's a clever feature. The Antigo Badger Breaker can be configured with multiple hammers mounted on the sides, allowing for wider sections of concrete to be broken up in a single pass. That's a wrap on our exploration of some incredible heavy equipment. We've seen machines that revolutionize construction, transform landscapes, and even operate autonomously. What was your favorite piece of equipment? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome videos on engineering, construction, and the captivating world of heavy machinery.